Can a home buyer claim compensation even after the builder has already refunded the money? Rajasthan RERA says yes. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This presentation is brought to you by Synergy Business Advisory Group Noida, a multi-disciplinary professional services firm delivering end-to-end advisory solutions across business consulting, startup and growth advisory, CFO and financial management services, insolvency and restructuring, PMLA and PUFE advisory, and real estate consulting. Today's case is Mahima Real Estate Private Limited versus Raj Nandan Agrawal, decided by the Rajasthan Real Estate Appellate Tribunal in November 2025. The allottee booked a flat in the project Mahima Uday. He paid more than 36% of the total price, but the promoter never executed the agreement for sale. After repeated emails, he cancelled the booking and approached RERA. In 2022, Rajasthan RERA ordered the promoter to refund the entire amount without interest. The builder complied. After getting the refund, the allottee filed a separate complaint before the adjudicating officer claiming compensation for financial loss, mental agony, and litigation expenses. The adjudicating officer awarded rupees 5 lakh for financial loss, rupees 50,000 for mental agony, rupees 20,000 as litigation cost. Total rupees 5.70 lakhs with 9% interest if not paid within 45 days. The builder challenged this, arguing a refund was already done, no liberty was given earlier to seek compensation, and the adjudicating officer had no power to grant such relief. The appellate tribunal rejected all arguments and held a refund case does not bar a separate compensation case. Promoters are legally bound to execute an agreement for sale before taking more than 10%. Under Section 71 and 72 of RERA, the adjudicating officer has exclusive power to grant compensation and interest on compensation. The appeal was dismissed, the compensation order was upheld, and the deposited amount was directed to be released to the home buyer. This judgment strongly reinforces one principle: refund alone does not wipe out the promoter's liability. Compensation for loss and harassment is a separate legal right. This is CA and Insolvency Professional Praveen Agrawal signing off. Looking forward to seeing you all in the next video. Thank you.